Good afternoon, all students from Milong, Papua New Guinea. George now here from Lake City. You may working lesson number 8, you mean now? The pico hydro and micro hydro. Now let's look at it. Today, remember talk long governor control on water turbine. Now what is governor control? Governor control. I'm sitting down low here. I'm blow controlling water flow. Now regulating speed, blow maintaining speed, blow this a turbine. Suppose me give him example here. This a turbine in 1500 RPM, alternator in 1500 RPM. Now, suppose you got one block water, big flow blow come in, for example, 500 liters. Then taking the 500 liters, suppose turbine use him 100 liters per second. Put in 500 so that you have excess water. Why? Because down the line you may be building another powerhouse, so you can see 100 liters per second, 100 liters per second, 100 liters per second. You got excess water. But this turbine here will take only 100 liters per second. Now you have 500 liters coming in. This requirement of this is 100 liters per second. And now you will have to put a governor. Now governor is an automatic water controller. Now Emi connected to one the speed controller. Speed controller Emi got sensor belong him. Emi sensor here. Em connected come lo shaft blow turbine. Ember pick him up speed. The set point, blow this set point will be 1500 RPM. So M I blow looking at speed. The time and pick him speedy like 15, 20 RPM. Remember talking controller, low passing water lick, na regulating water, na maintaining low set point, 1500 RPM, maintaining 1500 RPM. If there is no water control, you will have problem with speed. You now will have problem with voltage, frequency, na power low here. If you cannot get speed constant here, your power will be up and down here. So governor control is very, very important. Me go fast through because I'm speaking up from my head looking at this diagram here. So if you have got 100 horsepower turbine here, then you will have a 75 kilowatt there. You convert him, you get 75 kilowatts. So 1500 RPM, 1500 RPM, you have excess water, but this one here will only run at 100 liters per second. Now Ember regulating this layer and keep the rest of the water there for your next project. With this sort of water source, you got 500 liters per second. You're using only 100 liters. In future, you can build another power station there, another one here, and another one there. 100, 100, 100, you got excess of 100 liters per second there to just take care of the little bit of discrepancies flow inside the system that you saw. Basically, this is what it is. Governor control, and me controlling speed, that's all. Nothing else to make sure that voltage, frequency, and kilowatt is maintained. Thank you very much, and good afternoon.